If you're waiting for somebody to come along and just anoint you a data scientist, I think it becomes much more likely for you to feel imposter syndrome, because now you're walking into your job on the first day without really having done the work on your own. But if you follow the process that I describe, where you are taking it upon yourself to exercise your skills and be a data scientist on your own, then I think it's a completely different experience when you're walking in to your first job and are expected to work on data science projects, because you can say, hey, I've done this before. I've been here. I know what it's like to go out and get the data and design my own experiments and write my own code from scratch and publish my results. Now you are having a completely different experience than somebody else who really just didn't do the work on their own. I think the likelihood between those two scenarios of you getting imposter syndrome is very, very different.